the most powerful image generation model that has shaken the architecture industry. Banana has released a new version of Nano Banana 2. This is the rendering I uploaded to Nano Banana 2. This is the sustainability analysis report it generated for me, and architectural competition panels. This is the real-life picture of the old factory. This is the complete renovation plan generated by Banana 2. It not only retains the strong reasoning ability of the Pro version, but also has a much faster image generation speed. More importantly, its performance in text generation and world knowledge. It outperforms GPT Image 1.5C, Dream 5.0 Lite and other competitors. It is undoubtedly the best model in this field. The current AI Architect Master Platform, Nano Banana 2, has officially launched. No complex setup required, and ready to use. Today we will show you the latest architectural tests from across the internet. From the text ability, accuracy of drawing, complex space understanding and other aspects. Let's see how amazing Nano Banana 2 is. Text capability reaches a new level. The most troublesome part of architectural AI design is not the inability to create attractive visuals. The real problem is the unreadable text in the renderings. But Nano Banana 2 can completely solve this problem. Have it generate a building sustainability analysis report. In the past, just the carbon baselines and full life cycle accounting terms would make the AI directly crash. But the direct results of Nano Banana 2, not only is the visual layout advanced, the accuracy of text annotation is astonishingly high. Each indicator is clearly visible, logically rigorous. Upload another architectural renderings. Here I choose the Nano Banana 2 model. Enter commands to generate a functional analysis diagram. It not only analyzes the architecture accurately, but the labels are also clear. Not only functional analysis, landscape analysis, traffic flow analysis chart, sunshine analysis chart, body mass inference analysis diagram, the material explosion diagram that makes countless designers lose hair. Nano Banana 2 can generate them with one click. And all the text annotations are readable, usable, and credible. In addition to analysis diagrams, we can input other descriptive words and let it generate architectural exhibition boards. The directly generated board not only has beautiful composition, title text, image caption font, data labels are all legible. The overall layout logic fully meets professional board standards. Graphic quality performance. Next, we focus on the real strength of Nano Banana 2 in rendering images. Just upload the model image. Select the Banana 2 model. Select the preset architectural rendering, and add some descriptions of light and shadow atmosphere. You can get the image with one click, whether it's detail restoration, light and shadow performance, or the overall completion, are all excellent. Moreover, Banana 2 is faster. For the same rendering image, Banana 2 can complete it in 10 seconds. You can also in Banana 2, modify the generated drawings, change the atmosphere, change the material, and switch the viewing angle. Banana 2 can also be completed smoothly. There is excellent consistency, and truly understands the design space. Complex space processing. Now it goes a step further. Upload a photo of the old factory site. Let it generate urban renewal plans from photos, and tell it how to lay it out. We can see the analysis board generated by Nano Banana 2. It not only generates quickly, but also accurate text, and reasonable functional zoning. Look closely at the small print. There are indeed some imperfect strokes, but the overall readability is far beyond any previous model. It basically does not affect the use of the plan report. For old houses, the renovation and improvement of buildings and sites, Nano Banana 2 is also very strong. For example, after uploading this photo of the ancient town, and enter specific renovation descriptions, and you can see that the building facade retains traditional charm, but it's brand new. The shoreline has been completely activated. The newly added waterfront platforms and landscape bridges. The scale and proportions also fully conform to the on-site logic. Change to a factory picture, and enter the description. And you can see, from abandoned factory area, to a vibrant waterfront cultural and creative park. The architectural layout and basic volume remain unchanged. It adds waterfront platforms, viewing steps and leisure seats. If you want to generate a more accurate perspective at a specified angle, you can place arrows in the editor to indicate the desired camera angle. And enter a description. It can be converted into the perspective shown by the arrow. In general, compared to Banana Pro, Banana 2 isn't a groundbreaking innovation, but in terms of image speed, word processing and content accuracy, there has been a significant improvement, which can produce images quickly and accurately. For designers, it is another powerful tool for drawing. Today's AI Architect Masters, Nano Banana 2, has been officially launched. Welcome to enter the website at any time, and feel the top technology of the times together.